The benefits of using Himalaya Baby Powder. Himalaya is a well-known brand for natural products. Himalaya Baby Powder is one of their popular products. It is made with natural ingredients like olive oil, almond oil, and khaskhas. Himalaya Baby Powder is known for its mild fragrance and gentle care for the baby's delicate skin. Composition of Himalaya Baby Powder. Himalaya Baby Powder is made with natural ingredients like olive oil, almond oil, and khaskhas. Olive oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe baby's skin and prevent skin damage. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and nourishes the baby's skin. Khaskhas has a cooling effect that prevents excess sweating and rash. Benefits of Himalaya Baby Powder. Himalaya Baby Powder has a mild fragrance that keeps the baby fresh and prevents odor. The natural ingredients in Himalaya Baby Powder soothe and protect the baby's delicate skin. The powder is talc-free and prevents excessive sweating and rash. Himalaya Baby Powder is easy to apply and absorbs quickly. How to use Himalaya Baby Powder. Apply Himalaya Baby Powder on clean and dry skin. Use a small amount of powder and spread it evenly on the baby's skin. Avoid applying the powder near the baby's face and eyes. Apply the powder after bath and diaper change for maximum protection. Precautions while using Himalaya Baby Powder. Himalaya Baby Powder is for external use only. Avoid using it on broken skin. In case of any skin irritation or redness, stop using the powder and consult a doctor. Keep the powder away from the baby's face and avoid inhalation of the powder. Store the powder in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight. Reviews and feedback. Himalaya Baby Powder has received positive reviews from many parents. Customers have appreciated the mild fragrance and natural ingredients of the powder. The powder has been effective in preventing excessive sweating and rash. Some customers have suggested that the packaging could be improved. Conclusion. Himalaya Baby Powder is a popular choice for parents who prefer natural products for their babies. The powder is made with natural ingredients like olive oil, almond oil, and khaskhas that soothe and protect the baby's delicate skin. Himalaya Baby Powder is talc-free and easy to apply. However, it is important to take precautions while using the powder and consult a doctor in case of any skin irritation. Overall, Himalaya Baby Powder is a gentle and effective product for a baby's skin.